So let's see how to solve the last corner of this gray face or the last layer. We have made a gray face. Now we want to solve the corners. So in my case 2 are already solved, 3 are not solved. So let's start from any corner which is not solved and keep it on the right side, right bottom. In front of you, in front, right bottom. So we are starting from this. So first we'll take this corner piece, gray corner piece on top like this. So by doing, so first we'll look at this. If on this layer, whatever color is on the top right, so this is top right, if there's any gray piece in the front side, front means this front or top of this side, so if there is no gray piece, then we'll bring one gray piece on top, gray corner piece on top like this, R, U and R prime. So once I have a gray corner piece on top like this, we'll see in that gray corner piece what are the other two colors. So one is light yellow and another is pink. So these two colors we will bring the edges of these two colors in right front like this. So this is light yellow and pink. So I have brought pink and light yellow on the, so facing like this, front and right, because we want to bring this piece here so that this part will be solved. That's why we have brought this edge piece, these two edge pieces on right and front. And now we have this edge piece, corner piece on top, and also brought the edge pieces like this. Now we want to bring this corner piece here at this place. So we will be doing like this because we want to face the gray side on bottom. So we'll do R, U prime and R prime like this. So see, this part is solved now. Again we'll see in this side, is there any gray corner piece? Yes, I do have. So gray corner piece is here. So the other two colors are orange and green. So we will bring orange and green sides facing front and right. So front and right. And now we want to bring this piece here. So we'll do R, U, R prime. This is solved. So when the corner piece is here, we was doing R, U prime, R prime, and when the corner piece, gray corner piece was here, we did R, U prime, R prime. No, R, U, R prime we did, yeah, R, U and R prime. So similarly this corner piece is also solved. Now we see on the top layer, there is one, again there's one gray corner piece. We'll see the other two colors of this gray corner piece. One is blue, one is light yellow. So we'll bring that side on facing front and right. So front and right. And then we'll again do R. We want to bring this corner piece here. So we'll do R, R, U prime and R prime. So this is how we will be solving the last corner pieces.